Okay, for shoulder stroke for exercise 1, my partner pushed down onto the front leg. I pointed towards the front foot. Give me a cleaner line. There we go. Okay, and then I point, and then I've got to feel the speed and mass that he's got and relax a little bit faster and lead his energy and just sink onto the front leg and stretch down. Exercise 2 is for him to lift my shoulder and then roll. Lift and roll. So here I'm using a setup to, as he's lifting and rolling, I have to come under and just speed that drop up. It would appear that we should do this one first, but I want everyone to get the ground path to come underneath for the roll. So he can do a few rolls, just rolling my shoulder. I feel the speed, and then I lead him and come underneath. And so forth. So this starts getting the setup in the shoulder to yield and do the shoulder stroke. He lifts the shoulder, I don't lift the shoulder, he picks my shoulder up, and then I lead the pick up and I drop it back down into my front foot, put it through the stretch and uproot. That's exercise 2 for shoulder stroke. Okay, thank you.